Project and Portfolio Management Reporting feature is a powerful way to check the progress of planned and active projects and identify trends over time. The concept of reporting, like the status of a project, is to drive information to users or stakeholders. Timely and accurate information leads to dependable decisions, which then lead to project actions, helping to reduce risk and increase success. You can quickly access project data in the Project Status Portal, dashboards, reports, and the Resource application. Let's take a look at the Project Status Portal first. The portal gives you a summary of all your projects with key information like percentage complete, dates, and the portfolio. You can navigate between multiple projects, quickly checking the status. We'll look at a detailed status report for Upgrade App Z. This report contains data that would be helpful to a project manager, like planned and actual costs, resources, milestones, and risks. If you'd like to customize the data and layout of a report like this, learn how by taking a deep dive into the Reporting Videos playlist. In contrast to detailed reports, dashboards are a tool you can use to customize smaller amounts of data. We've covered the basics in the video, working with dashboards. For instance, maybe we'd like to keep an eye on risks for our portfolio IT applications modernization. This report was created by taking the base platform risk report, modifying the filters, and grouping by probability. Now we can look at the portfolio in terms of combined number of risks within the projects. If we share this report, we can push it to a dashboard as a widget, or export it as a PDF file and send it by email. It's worth noting that you can also run reports within the Resource application. By considering your audience and their needs, you can create and share reports or dashboards containing the information they need to make timely decisions. The powerful reporting platform capabilities with ServiceNow enable you to meet your organization's demand for information that's actionable, accurate, and helps drive efficiency and automation. For more information, please consult our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.